No way, that's fair. That's like £6 for 3 punches.
Hello, YouTuber.
Hello.
And I'm gonna give you a good offer, like 1 ticket for 1 person.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia, and today we are starting with the nightlife. Look at this. It feels like we're in Times Square, but we're not. We're in Boulevard City, one of the main nightlives here in Riyadh. We've been here for a few days. Yesterday we watched the world's probably biggest boxing match in the Kingdom Arena. It was such an amazing experience. Make sure you go back and watch our latest video. We recorded all of it, watch our reaction, and amazing day. Let's explore here. Today it's a Sunday and I feel like a lot of places are closed.
Yeah, I'm just sort of like mesmerised by this place. Like looking forward, and it's like it literally looks like Times Square. It's unbelievable.
We come here a couple of days ago for the weigh-in and we didn't really get a chance to explore it. We want to see what the nightlife is like here in Saudi Arabia. So of course the first place we end up is the food court. There's like a water fountain in the middle, and then all the way around it there's loads of food chains, Burger King, half of them we don't know. But we're going to keep going because it's not food time yet.
Yeah, we actually bumped into shock, absolute shock. We bumped into someone British. We've actually bumped into so many British people, but he told us, yeah, there's a really good fountain. It's like 20 times the size of that, and they have a big fountain show. So we'll check that out at some point in this vlog. But just walking into this area, you've got this like big colourful dome. There's so many lights. It's like quite mesmerising around here. But yeah, it's just unbelievable. Like the amount of money they must have spent just to make this place look like beautiful, and it's 24/7. Every time I go past this place, it's all lit up like unbelievably.
Wow, look at this. We've got a bowling centre there, and then you've got like a VR. Oh, so you can go on like the cars with the screens and that.
This like reminds me of like, it's a little bit like, I was going to say Disney World, but that's a bit too far. It's like a little bit, it's got like a Vegas feel.
But you can go in there and go on these. We're not going to go on them, so we're not going in too far. We don't want to.
Oh, I think this is like
world.
Yeah. Just looking, man.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Good, thank you. We're just looking around.
What are these ones?
Wow. So you can put that on. This is cool. How many was this? I've never seen one like this.
You see that one? These chairs almost actually gonna flip you off.
This
we
one?
got horror games, the church.
Yeah.
We got horror games, roller coaster, this kind of shit like that. So I'm gonna make it to you feel like the roller coaster, and we can record it if you want to.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna give you a good offer. Like 1 ticket for 1 person is 40 riyals, right?
Yeah.
We can give you both for only 40 riyals, so 20 riyals per each. That's almost, I don't know, like $5, that's it.
Yeah.
So you can do that one, and we will record it, it's okay, so you can put it in your phone, if you want to.
Maybe later. We'll walk around, and if we feel like it, we'll come back.
Alright,
Thank you.
If you have any questions,
Always. Thank you very much.
How nice was that? Like buy one get one free for us.
What a nice guy. Everyone's sort of like in the boxing mood. Obviously the punch machine's like mega busy. Because of the fight yesterday, everyone's like wants to be a boxer. It's always the same thing. Big fight, everyone's like, well, I'm going down to the gym, I'm going to become a boxer. And then now there's like 25 people on the punch machine.
If you want to see Ben doing the punching machine, go and watch our last video. He goes and does it.
I'm a little bit out of practice, to be honest.
But this is where we were a couple of days ago. This is the way in, and it looks totally different now.
Do they have let me know in the comments, like concerts and stuff here? Because it seems like you'd have a concert or something here.
You've got your Dunkin' Donuts, E&L, Eleanor Cafe, that is, from London.
Oh yeah, you know.
I've been in there in London. But look, it's so big, this place. We've gone, you go like in a central bit, and then it goes off on like groups, flowers, I don't know how to describe it.
So look at this graffiti, like 3D. It's unreal. I'm like sort of quite into my like street art. I'm like every city we go to, and we go to a few, I always look out for like the different street art. It's different around the world, and like the 3D one, don't see a lot of that. That's yeah, really cool. Love it. So these do you know these punch machines? There's one there. So yesterday I done it, and I had 3 punches, and I wasn't actually sure how much I paid, and I thought she said 30, and I said to Reanne, and she was like, no way, that's fair. That's like £6 for 3 punches. I was like, oh, maybe it wasn't that then. And
I'm too scared to check the card.
yeah. Yeah, I just asked her and she said 1 punch for 10. So yeah, it was. That is what I paid. So if you want to punch on them punching machines, that's what you're paying. You're paying 10 for 1 punch. That's an expensive punch.
Whoa, look at this. I don't know if this is the one the guy was on about, but it looks pretty cool.
It's like that, it's called the Jewel, isn't it? In Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah.
Also, we can do go-karting. Should we go and check out how much it is? I'm not really a fan of go-karting because I'm not very good at like competing against people. I just like accept I'm gonna lose.
You're like what's the opposite of like competitive? Like you're not that bothered, are you?
No, no, I'm not that good.
Yeah. You're like,
so I'm never like think I'm going to be the best.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna finish last.
Oh my gosh, 140. No way, is that the price?
Yeah, but to be honest, Rihanna, they're charging 10 for a punch.
Yeah, true.
140 doesn't seem too bad.
I think that's the price. I thought it was raining then, but I'm guessing it's the water off there. We've got like a what's it called?
WWE.
WWE experience in there. It's like a 3D screen coming out of it.
in the know.
I don't know. Ben's into all that. We've also got some shops.
I'm not actually into WWE, by the way. I'm just like, I think it's like one of the world's biggest companies, isn't it?
Oh, is it? I don't know. We've got Foot Locker, Adidas. I think we're going in the fun fair bit.
Although this isn't really nightlife, adults go for coffee here and whatever, it's really good for kids as well. And
it's a family place.
Yeah,
it's
you
not
see a lot.
nightlife.
You see a lot of families here enjoying things. Very quiet today though.
Sunday. How much are these games then?
I don't know.
I think we should have a go. This one you can win an iPhone.
How much are they?
God knows. Probably like $1,000 or something ridiculous. I'm not good at games.
How much is it? 50.
Fair.
30, 50? 10.
One game 15. These are very expensive.
Yeah, so that one back there is 50.
It is iPhone though.
Yeah, I know. But you'd probably guarantee
Hello.
one.
What is it?
Football.
Basketball. You can win a big banana. I would have had a go, but these are one ball, 30 SAR. Oh, normally I'm up for like giving things a go and a try. I would have gone on a ride, but I'm gonna guess that's going to be like £100. You got some food vendors going away. We've got some popcorn, slushy machine. Oh, whoa! Look at this. That's real cool.
It's like a theme park.
Playland. Whoa. Oh, we got Turkish ice cream.
Hey, ice cream, ice cream.
Hello, Turkish ice cream. Chestnuts. Popping candy. Hello. I'm hoping if they notice the camera, they might give us like a free ride.
Nice freebie.
So we got like loads of rides. I can't believe how quiet. Yeah. Is there anyone on there? It's just going round.
Yeah.
No, not. Oh, there's one kid. Oh, bless her.
Someone out there screaming.
I like. Oh my god. I like how spaced out everything is here though. It's not like they cram so much into such a small space. Oh, popcorn. So I saw on the sign 195 for like the gold ticket.
It's going to be like a wristband to go on like all the rides.
I think we're at like the grown-up rides. We've got Ferris wheel, that one that goes up and spin, the dropper, like literally the worst thing ever.
It's quite big though, isn't it? Look how big it is.
Oh my gosh. And then rocking boat.
A few classics here, isn't there?
This bit does actually remind me of Florida a little bit.
I was thinking that it's a
Yeah.
bit Disney. It's got that like Universal Studios feel, isn't it?
Yeah, like the 3D. And then we've got like a Barbie Dreamhouse here. This is why I came down. Wow, look at that. It's actually a Barbie Dreamhouse.
Wow.
Word of Barbie, dreams made here. Oh wow, look. I don't think it's open yet. It looks empty.
No.
They've just made the Dreamhouse.
I feel like, I don't know this for sure, but this is new. The Boulevard World as well, which is over the road, that's going to be amazing. That's not even open yet, because we was going to actually go there today. But yeah, the taxi driver said it's not open yet.
We just found his hands, and look, there's one we know. John Travolta.
A lot of them are like Mohammed's. So
Mel Gibson.
Oh yeah. I'm assuming some of them are Saudis.
We're going to head back to the centre. This is like the centre dome, as you can see in front of us. And that's got like all the food courts in the middle. So we're going to have a little look there. I'm starving. We haven't had dinner.
It seems like it's got more busy now.
And I just think this area's just got like a few more people.
Just more families and stuff.
It is. What is the time? It's like 8 o'clock at night. I think it gets busier the later on.
The later it gets. It does seem like even the roads don't seem to get busier the later it gets. It's a very like night place here, obviously because of the temperature.
I find it like these places are like sealed off as well. They have little doorways. I wonder if that's from like COVID, the sea day.
Nah, not COVID.
We've got pasta. Oh yeah, it's quite new, isn't it? That looks nice. Burger place. Top one. Oh, there's so many different food chains. We've got New York fries, Texas chicken, loads. Always Subway. There's always a Subway.
There's always a Subway everywhere around the world.
I know. And Baskin Robbins. Yeah. Literally a rip-off. Don't ever get one from there. Smaller scoop.
She's talking about
she had
one in Pakistan once.
It was tiny.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Been walking into stuff.
When I turn my head, because
you can't see sideways. Yeah, we know that.
Long story, boxing brain injury. When I turn my head, yeah, when I turn my head, I can't see. Got no peripheral vision. Yeah, by the way. So literally walking through this part here, it feels like we're walking through a city. It's absolutely like I'm a little bit like speechless. So amazing. Look. Like I'm in like London or New York or something. So good. It's just such a crazy, it's so different because obviously in the West everyone's used to like drinking, partying, but this is just like just walking around, enjoying the lights, having a coffee, meeting your friends. Such a relaxing, calm way of living. Very different to what we're used to in the West, honestly. Really good though, really loving it. We're gonna go to Tim Hortons. Obviously everyone knows Tim Hortons, but yeah, grab a coffee because I'm a little bit parched. So we were told by a Saudi local here in Riyadh who was in a coffee shop. He said, we love our coffee, we live for our coffee. This is what we live for, because obviously we haven't got nightclubs, we don't have bars, we don't have this, but we do have coffee shops. We enjoy getting together, all that sort of stuff. And so this is what I do. Obviously we're sat here, it's very nice. It's like a real nice temperature now. People look across from me, just like sat with their friends, enjoying it. And look where we are, and look at the scenes. I'm just like loving this chilled out like vibe. It's so good. Cheers. Right, so Rianne's not really getting involved. She's sort of leaving me to do the vlogging. She's
I'm just a little bit tired. The late night last night, we didn't get into 5 AM. It's catching up on me. It's like 9 o'clock now and I'm ready for my bed.
I sort of do understand. But let me tell you a little bit about Riyadh City Boulevard. So this is one of the most important destinations in Riyadh. It is open from the 28th of October every year, specifically for Riyadh season. Entry is free, so no tickets are needed. It is the largest sustainable entertainment hub in the region. It includes local cafes and several global restaurants. This might be the first time you've actually seen the Dridgers. You might think, oh, they're complaining about prices and stuff. We are actually a budget channel. We are quite tight with our money. That's why we always speak about prices, and that's part of the concept of our channel, is prices, how much things cost. We are on tour with Dridgers, and it's nice to meet you, by the way. We're
gonna head back now. We are absolutely shattered now. It's like nearly 10 o'clock. I'm glad we got to end our series here exploring the Boulevard. It was only a short time here. The main reason we come here was for the boxing, but these 4 days have been absolutely amazing, and we'll definitely be back because we want to explore other city, other towns and all that within Saudi Arabia. So now we're going to head back and get some food. I'm so hungry. We're just going to go to the supermarket and get some cheap bits, you know us. But otherwise, make sure you follow us along on our journey. Press the little bell button because we are heading to a new country after this. Can you guess where? Let us know down below. So make sure you subscribe. I like how space absolutely shattered, but I'm glad we got to explore the Boulevard.